Hello, I'm a physiotherapist specialized in musculoskeletal disorders. Today, I'll talk about 5 self-manipulation techniques that you can comfortably perform at home using a simple chair and some tools. Manipulations are as old as human history. Already to 3,000 years ago, Hippocrates and the Greeks practiced manipulations by walking on people to provide benefits. Today, manipulation is a fundamental element of physiotherapy and the musculoskeletal approach. With figures like chiropractors and osteopaths who use it daily to alleviate back pain. The cracking sound you hear when you manipulate your joints is due to the expansion of the joint that forms air bubbles. When the joint returns to its natural size, these bubbles burst,